Evening, Ma'am Abigail Pizarro. My name is Carl Lawrence S. Mania, a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, first year student at Visayas State University with offering number G341. This is my presentation in Module 5. So in this presentation, we're going to discuss the types of malware. So let's start. So what is malware? Malware or malicious software is any program or file that is intentionally harmful to a computer network or server. So a software is designed to interfere with a computer normal functioning. A word malware is a blanket term for viruses, trojans, and other destructive computer programs threat actors use to infect systems and network in order to gain to sensitive information. So that I warn you to not open any any certain or visit website or kanang ipang send sa mga messengers or any social media platforms because malware and viruses on it could infect their computer. So what does Malware do? Malware can infect networks and devices and is designed to harm those devices, networks, and their user in some way. Depending on the type of malware and its goal, this harm may present itself differently to the users or endpoint. In some cases, the effect of malware has is relatively mild and benign, and in others it can be disastrous. So there are the types of malware. It has 8 types. So number one is viruses, spyware, adware, skyware, worms, Trojan horse, spam, and rootkits. So viruses. Software that replicates itself and spreads by damaging and deleting the files. Virus enters your device via attached image, greetings, audio, video files, downloads, etc. So a computer viruses is a type of malware that can be used hard and damage to your files and systems. Normally, the virus has an extensions or file, so this file is normally hidden to the user. Sometimes it is embedded in email attachments, and victims are unaware that they have downloaded these files that can be copied from external sources, and drives are mostly comes up with a virus exe files embedded to it. Upon opening the file, he makes the virus works. Some viruses na makasulod sa imong device because of sa pag-open nato sa mga any website then ato ma-download. And those other way nga nung makapatag virus is when we open via email or any social media platforms og ang like sa mga drives wala ta kahibaw nga katong nga drives is na ito yung virus then imo to input sa imong computers or laptops then ayong katong virus is makashare ma-transfer na sa imong computer. So next, spyware. Spyware is a program that gets installed without the user's permission. It monitors the user's activities on the internet and transmit that information to the third party. So, so ang spyware is a type of malware o kani nga spyware is a virus and it is a malicious software that designed to or be damaged to your computer without permission to the owner. Adware. Software where advertising banners are displayed while any program is running. It automatically downloads to your device while browsing any website. It is used by companies for marketing purposes. So, ang adware is a type of malware that automatically adverting to your computer, like example sa imong computer while ga-search ka sa any websites for your academics uh, projects or etc. And then, the adware will directly ng pop-up sa imong phones, computers, laptops, like sa mga advertisement. Diba kay, ang dimension niya kay it is used by companies for marketing purposes. So, scareware. So, for example, some hackers now use for fake alert to warn users of an imaginary threat, and these users are encouraged to download malware directly from an app, not just by clicking about it. So, it is a worms. Malicious program that make copies of itself on local device networks, shares, etc. They make the working of your device slower. A worm is among the most common types of malware, a byte of computer code that is designed to cause harm to a host network by overloading servers or consuming bandwidth. Some computers' worms may also include payloads that can damage systems, steal data, and delete files. Trojan horse. So, a Trojan horse is a type of malware that distinguishes itself as legitimate code or software once inside the network attackers. are able to carry out any action that is legitimate user could perform, such as exporting files, modifying data, deleting files, or otherwise altering the contents of the device. So, spam method of flooding the internet with a copies of the same message. It is for the purpose of adverting, finishing, spreading, malware, etc. So, ang spam is a kind of unwanted, unsolicited digital communication that gets sent out in bulk. Often, some spam is sent via email, but it can also be distributed via text messages, phone calls, or social media platforms. Rootkits: software hidden deep inside your device which remains undetected. It transmits all your sensitive information. So a rootkit malware is a collection of software designed to give malicious actors control of a computer networks or application. Once activated, the malicious program set up a backdoor exploit and may deliver additional malware such as ransomware, bots, keyloggers, or Trojan rootkits may remain in place. So how to detect malware? May may also users may be able to detect malware if they observe unusual activity such as sudden loss of disk space, unusually slow speeds, repeated crashes or freezes, or an increase in unwanted internet activity and pop-up advertisement. So muna sila ang mga ilhanan kung ang imong computer kay naa ba siya mga viruses or malware nga ma-detect makakuan sa imong mga computers like sa na-mention diri is mga pop up sa imong laptop at mga advertisement o the best is mag-observe ka sa imong computer if naman siya mga viruses. So how to remove malware? As mentioned, many security software products are designed to detect and prevent malware, such as well as remove it from infected system. Malware bytes is an Malware bytes is an example of an anti-malware tool that handles detection and removal of malware. It can remove malware from Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. I don't think kung mo ba yung pagkabang sa Mac OS o Mac OS, Android and iOS platform. Malware bytes can scan a user's registry files if detected malware can then be quarantined and detected. However, unlike some other tools, users cannot set automatically scanning schedules. So, para ma-remove ang malware na natay mga security software na nabuhat para ma-prevent o ma-secure nato ang ato mga computers na dili sila dili makatagan og mga viruses o makuha sila by malware bytes. So this is the end of our topic for this presentation in module 5. So I hope na daghang tayo na kakunan sa akong pag discuss about the types of malware. So karon daghang natay na ibaw sa mga type of malware, mga viruses na pwedeng makadami sa atong computer system. Be alert sa mga attachment ng ipang message sa like daghang kayo sa messenger or any social media platforms ipang share lang. So I would say think before you click. And thank you for watching.